something really special I feel about starting your day early and tackling your most important tasks early in the day. I feel when I do that, I end up using the rest of the day very, very constructively and very, very well. Whereas on a day like today, when I haven't really done much in the entire day and it's almost 12 o'clock, I feel like I'm unable to do much the rest of the day. By 12 o'clock, I'll start beating myself up about it, and I'll start telling myself that, oh no, you haven't done anything, the whole day is wasted. And then I'll just spend the rest of the day feeling bad and regretting, and the whole day goes and I'm sleeping at night feeling really, really bad about having wasted an entire day, because a day gone is a day gone, it never comes back. But today I want to change that trend, and I'm hoping that even though I've not started the day well, I will catch up and do a lot in the remaining part of the day instead of just wasting the entire day. I don't know, do you guys also feel that way, that you start badly and the whole day goes badly? So tell me in the comments below. So in case you're wondering what I'm doing, this is not for a shoot. I'm getting ready to attend a wedding and I'm running late already. But well, I have to tell you that I did get one thing in. I did do one thing in the whole day, and that is a little bit of shopping. So let me show you what I did buy. So there are a lot of excuses for a bad start to today. One being kids are home, they have a holiday. Two being there are a lot of sales that have just started and I have been browsing all day long. And I don't know, so many times when I get a message for a sale, I spend so much time browsing through the entire thing, and sometimes I don't end up buying anything and I feel, oh my god, I wasted so much time for nothing. And then there are times when then there are times when I spend so much time browsing and then I end up buying stuff, so I end up spending money and spending time. So I don't know which one is worse, just spending a lot of time or spending time and money. You tell me in the comments below. So that call was to tell me that I'm running late and I need to hurry up, so I will try and hurry up. I don't usually apply too much makeup, just a little bit, since I'm going for a wedding and I need to look put together. And yeah, that's about it. That's all I do. So I also don't seem to have the time to do my hair, and whenever I don't have time to do my hair, all I do is take a hairband and just pop it on. So that's it. I am about done and that's all I'm doing. Let me show you what I am wearing. It's a yellow color kurta with work on the neckline. It's a high neck, which I kind of like, and the same yellow color dupatta with a little bit of gota trimming. And the skirt is what I love the most. It's a sharara style dress, it's a sharara kind of skirt, and it has gota work all over it. I don't know if you can see it very clearly, but it's really pretty. Let me show it to you. So this is the skirt, and so this is my entire look for the wedding. The only way to have some peace in the car, but at the same time these games seem to have the most atrocious sound effects. What are you doing? Are you playing catch and catch? Enough now, put it in the bowl, come on. So my daughter feels like her outfit must be shown as well. So these are her bangles and this is her lehenga and the top. just got back home. So it is 2:10 now, and I'm going to get started on work. A lot of things to get done, but before I start, I came back home and I was greeted by this lovely package, and let me open it and show you. I absolutely love it. Can't wait to wear it and try it on. I think it's a very pretty fabric and it's a very nice champagne color. So yeah, can't wait to try this on. And without wasting too much time now, let's get started. So I've just managed to publish a post. So one thing done from my to-do list. The next thing to do is to prepare my daughter. This is the post for a jewelry brand in Pune, Swapnanjali Jewelry Studio, and the jewelry is designed by the lovely Aparna, who is such a lovely person. These are the pieces. I had so much fun shooting this lookbook for her. Now the next important thing to do for me today is to get my daughter ready for her dictation test tomorrow, and U ki matra is what we are learning. So once I'm done with that, I'll be back with you. So it's about 4:30 p.m. now, and I'm quite pleased with what I have achieved. So a blog post has been published, and studies have pretty much been taken care of, and I'm here to film a workout video. And let me show you my setup for the video. Yeah, so now on to my workout video, and I'll see you soon. So I'm quite proud of myself because, as I said, I did not start the day very well and very effectively. I did not use my time as well as I wanted to, but I have caught on pretty well. I have filmed my workout video as well, so my to-do list is pretty much all checked out. You can see that I am very sweaty. Can you tell? Too close for comfort. So back we go. But it was an abs and cardio workout, and really enjoyable, really effective. If you want to check that video out, the link will be in the description box below. I think I'm gonna pretty much call it a day and say bye bye to you. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, because I think this is the first time that I have caught almost the entire day. And if you did enjoy the vlog, please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up, please leave a comment below and let me know what kind of videos you would like to see. So this is gonna be it from me. Oh, hang on, let me show you. So today, while I was filming my workout video, I really enjoyed looking at the view I had since I was doing abs. So this was pretty much what I was looking at all the time while filming my workout video, and it was really enjoyable, really pleasant, and I'm going to say goodbye to you with this.